evening guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be a question and answer video that I want to do. So if any of you guys have any questions you want to ask me, this is the place to put it. So if you do have a question, put it in the comments below and I will then upload another video trying to answer as many questions as I can. I do try and keep up with comments, but sometimes it is really hard to keep up with it because I don't always get a notification for it, and obviously with so many videos it only usually gives me notifications for the latest video. So if somebody posts on something that I posted say 3 months ago, it is very hard for me to keep up. So I do try and keep in touch with you guys and try and answer every single question. So again, this is another one of them things. If you're just wondering how I've done something or what my plans are or anything like that, or you want to know something, you know, just anything about personal life or anything like that, this is one of them. So yeah, comment in the description, let me know what your questions is, and what I'll do is I'll probably leave it like 3 or 4 days or maybe a week, just so the questions can build up, and I'll try and answer every single question that I can. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys soon.